AI is powerful, but that doesn't mean we should fear it. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming how we live and work, and with that transformation comes a fair share of fear. But fear often stems from misunderstanding. While AI is powerful, it's still a tool, one that, when used responsibly, can make our lives better. Let's explore 5 common fears about AI and why they don't need to keep us up at night. 1. AI will take over the world. Pop culture loves to depict AI as a world-dominating force. But that's science fiction, not science fact. Real-world AI lacks emotions, intent, and the consciousness needed to take over. Yes, it's capable of performing complex tasks faster than humans, but it's still just a program doing what it's told. Today's AI tools are used to support people, not replace them. In customer service, for example, AI can help answer basic questions, while human agents handle more nuanced or emotional issues. Rather than a threat, AI serves as a partner in creating better experiences. 2. AI will invade our privacy. AI itself doesn't breach privacy. How we use it determines that. AI systems often require large amounts of data to work effectively, which raises concerns. But it's not the data collection that's the problem. It's the misuse or lack of transparency around it. Responsible companies are taking steps to ensure ethical data practices, knowing that trust is a critical part of any customer relationship. Strong governance, compliance with data privacy laws, and clear communication about data use are all helping to address this concern. 3. AI will be used for harm. Unfortunately, AI can and has been used for malicious purposes, from spreading disinformation to executing cyber attacks. But that doesn't mean we should avoid it entirely. The same technology that bad actors exploit can also be used to fight them. AI plays a key role in cybersecurity by detecting threats, identifying patterns, and protecting data faster than traditional methods. Governments and tech leaders are also working together to introduce safeguards, regulations, and oversight to reduce risks and ensure ethical use. 4. AI will make us lazy or stupid. This concern isn't new. When calculators were introduced, people feared we'd forget how to do math. But calculators didn't eliminate learning, they made solving harder problems more efficient. The same applies to AI. Using AI doesn't mean we stop thinking. It allows us to focus on higher-level tasks. Tools like ChatGPT won't magically provide the right answers, unless we understand how to ask the right questions. When used effectively, AI enhances productivity and problem-solving, not replaces it. 5. AI will take our jobs. Job displacement is a valid concern. AI will automate certain tasks, and some roles will evolve or disappear. A Goldman Sachs report estimated that AI could impact 300 million full-time jobs globally. That's significant, but it's only part of the picture. Technological change always creates disruption, but it also creates new opportunities. Workers can be retrained to manage AI systems, oversee quality, or handle the complex tasks AI can't. Take ATMs, for instance. Many believe they'd eliminate bank tellers, but banks still employ them. Instead of replacement, we saw evolution. The most forward-thinking organizations aren't using AI to replace people. They're using it to empower them. AI can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up employees to focus on strategic or emotionally complex work. And when customers need more than AI can offer, a human is still there to step in. When used responsibly, AI builds efficiency and trust. It's not about choosing between humans or machines, it's about combining the best of both. The future isn't AI versus humans, it's AI with humans, working together to build better experiences, services, and solutions.